Hey guys, I'm Dan and welcome back to the basement Dino Dungeon. Okay, so today we will take a look at our wildcats collection as well as the farm animals, cats, birds collection right here, okay, because we have added quite a number of new figures to this two collection recently. So let's have a look at every single one of them. I think there are at least 200 figures right here, guys, at least. So let's go through them individually and place them into these two boxes right here. I'm gonna sort them out nicely, okay? So let's do this. Alright guys, so let's begin, okay? So you can see we have a mountain of different animal figurines. So let's go through them, every single one of them, and and let's put them into the respective boxes, okay? So right here, we have a German Shepherd. This figure, it's a really nice figure. It's from Safari Ltd. It's a 2001 figure, very cool one. So I'm putting this on the right box, okay? And here's another German Shepherd, and this one is actually a German Shepherd puppy running 2013 Safari Ltd figure. You can see this figure is pretty classic, very nicely detailed. I love it. And let's have a look at the one of the wildcats. This one is actually a really beautiful lion figure from Safari Ltd 2010. In terms of the detailing, you can see it actually looks a little bit like, a bit cartoonish as compared to like this one. For example, this is actually from Schleich. It's way more realistic, way more well detailed. Of course, it's more expensive as well. And if I'm not wrong, this one was actually in 2013 or 2014. Beautiful Schleich lion figure. Let's have a look at this. This is actually a border collie, which is actually considered the most intelligent dog species out there. And it's a 2005 figure, quite some time. Yep, almost 20 years, if I'm not wrong. Let's have a look at other ones. Okay, this one is a really beautiful white tiger. Okay, this one, it should be from Schleich as well. Beautiful white tiger. And here we have a little goat from PNSO 2015 figure. Nice. And this one, if I'm not wrong, is a jaguar. It's a leopard, I beg your pardon. 2007 Safari Ltd. You can see it has plenty of patterns on its body. Really nice. Okay, next up, we have a snow leopard. So you can see the snow leopard has a super long tail, and their fur is actually much thicker than the other big cats because it basically lives in a very cold temperatures, and the fur is basically to keep it really warm. 2003 snow leopard adult figure, beautiful one. And here we have a very adorable Sharpei. You can see the skin is all crumpled from Collecte. Okay, beautiful figure, Sharpei. I've never seen a Sharpei before in my country, that's for sure. Here we have a beautiful Holstein cow. Okay, they're well known for producing lots of milk, and they are very gentle. Here's another one. So I think this one is a Holstein cow as well. Yep, 2007 Safari Ltd figure. So yep, they're well known for producing lots of milk, and they're very, very popular among dairy farmers, that's for sure. Cheetah. How many cheetahs do we have in our collection? I'm not too sure. We shall have a look later on. 1997 Cheetah Safari Ltd. You can see this cheetah is basically sprinting, and cheetahs are actually much smaller in the size as compared to hyenas, lions. So usually, cheetahs, they are able to catch their prey, but sometimes the lions and the hyenas will actually snatch its food away from him, and cheetahs are actually quite, they're not as strong as the lions, they're not as strong as a pack of hyenas. So a lot of time, they are not able to defend their food, their prey. Here we have a black jaguar, really nice figure. And this one has got to be one of our best looking Black Panther. It's a 2003 Papo figure. Awesome figure. Here's another one which was sent to us by a Dan Safarian, a 2015 Safari Ltd figure. Awesome one. And here's another one which is quite realistic as well. African Leopard 2018 If I'm not wrong, this is actually from Collecte. Yep, beautiful figure. This is considered relatively new. Another lion. This, if I'm not wrong, is from Collecte. Beautiful one. And here's a huge one. This is, of course, not the most well-detailed or the most beautiful figure, but it's really fun. I think kids will actually love it because it has articulation on the legs and stuff like that. And it's actually a figure I got from Toys R Us. Okay, let's have a look at other figures. This is a sheep from Schleich, a beautiful one. And here we have a raven. Okay, a really beautiful raven, 2014 raven. Okay, so I have a small birds collection, that's for sure. Okay, and here we have a boxer, 2018 boxer from Safari Ltd. Okay, and here we have a Siberian Husky, very beautiful dog, I would say, 2017 figure. And here we have another Black Panther. If I'm not wrong, this was actually sent to us by a Dan Safarian as well from, you know, Collecte, 2008 figure. Awesome. Let's move on. We have a blue macaw. We have two of them actually. Okay, they are like parrots from the same family. Okay, next up, let's have a look at another bird. Right here, I think we can actually put this in the African animals collection as well. We have an ostrich. It's a flightless bird. They are able to run really fast as well. And here's another tiger. Let's have a look at this. 2005 Safari Ltd figure. Beautiful one. And let's have a look at this from PNSO. Not the best looking figure, I would say. In terms of the face, you can see the detailing is not very well done. And do you guys know that lions, they are able to roar really loudly, and you can actually hear their roars from miles away. And this one is actually one that we've got from a budget pack, so you can see the quality of this figure is not that fantastic. Okay, next up, another cheetah. This one is really cool. King Cheetah. Yeah, I really love the patterns on his body right now. Here we have a small little cat, a tabby cat. Beautiful, cute cat. Next, we have a lioness right here. Okay. Alright, and let's move on. Here we have another lion, and this is also from Schleich, the same figure as what you have seen just now. What is this? A cheetah cub. Very, very adorable. 2006 from Safari Ltd. Super cute figure. And here we have a lynx, 2016 lynx. Okay. Next up, we have a peacock. Yep, a beautiful peacock. We have two peacocks in our collection. This one is from Collecte, 2008 Collecte figure, and this one is from Schleich. It has been with me for quite some time. Both are equally beautiful. Yeah, peacocks, they actually, when they are agitated, they actually open up their feathers as well. Okay, and here we have a sheep. Cute one. Now we have a bird of prey, vulture. They basically prey on the weakling and the dying animals and even human beings. White lion from Peppo. Here we have another tiger, which is also from Toys R Us, and it comes with a button. So once you press it, you can see the jaw actually closes. Very cute and adorable, I must say. Okay, this has got to be one of our best looking tiger figure, that's for sure, from Peppo, 2005. Awesome figure, I love it. This is a new figure that was sent to us by a Dan Safarian. It's a Shiba Inu, Japanese, native to Japan. And here we have a beautiful white lioness from Schleich. This is a dog, but I'm not too sure whether this is a Mandarin dog. It doesn't say the name. It's quite an old figure, 1998, Safari Ltd. And here we have a Serval. Okay. What is this? This is not a big cat, okay? This is actually a clouded leopard. And this one is actually from 2019, Safari Ltd. And clouded leopards are basically smaller cats. They're quite small, but still bigger than, you know, a house cat, that's for sure. We have a black sheep right here. Okay, Safari Ltd, 2018 figure, relatively new I would say. And this one is an Anhinga, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's right. Hampshire pig, and they are well known for being very, very docile. Okay, next up, albatross right here. A cheetah from one of our budget packs. A small little tiger cub, white tiger to be exact. This is a mountain lion. You can also call it like a puma. Okay, next up, we have a soul, a female pig, very, very adorable. And here we have a long-eared owl, I think. Let's have a look at this. Where's the name of this figure? It's really tiny, I would say. It's right here, guys. Great horned owl, I beg your pardon, guys. Phoenix rooster. You can see it has a really beautiful tail. 2007 figure. A goat. And here we have a really beautiful, very strong looking African leopard 2018 Safari Ltd, if I'm not wrong. This figure has been with me for, quite a number of years. Yeah, my kids actually played with it. It's a figure from Bullyland. You can see the face. The figure is actually quite dirty. Okay, this one is a cool one. Perhaps I will put this in the bigger box because we don't have so much space. Florida Panther from 2018 Safari Ltd. Wonderful figure. You can see the face is highly detailed. The paint scheme is also very nice. Just a very premium figure, I would say. Cardinal. This is known as a lorikeet, if I'm not wrong. Let's have a look at this. Yep, that's right. 2016 Safari Ltd. Golden Retriever, highly intelligent dog. Very smart, very gentle, very loyal as well. They are often used as guide dogs. Here we have another leopard, Emerald Leopard 2015. Collie, another super intelligent dog, 2004 Safari Ltd. And here we have a cheetah, another one. This is quite a jumbo. This is a jumbo figure from Safari Ltd. Beautiful one. Okay, let's see what else we've got. This one, it's a lynx, if I'm not wrong. Yep, that's right. This figure seems to be one of our newer figures, a leopard cub. Super cute and adorable. Okay, so just now we have actually seen another bird with the wings wide open, and this time it is another one. And this is the red-tailed hawk. Beautiful one. A pig and a piglet. Super adorable. And here we have a billy goat, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's right, billy goat. 2015 Safari Ltd figure. Wow, this one is a Great Dane. Yeah. I used to have a dog before, Tutu. You guys should know that Tutu is my Shih Tzu. And, I have a previous dog. He was actually attacked by a Great Dane. Yeah, but, fortunately, the injury wasn't too serious. Okay, next. We have a Guernsey cow, 2017. Guernsey cow is also another cow that can produce a lot of milk. And this is a Kiwi, native to New Zealand, 2015 collective figure. We have a collie puppy, adorable. Bald eagle, nice. 2008. Do you guys know that bald eagles, it is actually illegal to capture or to keep any products, or to keep even a feather of a bald eagle in America. They are a protected species. Okay, and this is a tiger from Peppo 2015. White tiger, beautiful one, 2006. Safari Ltd. Lioness from one of the budget packs. And this is a tiger from Schleich, probably from 2015 as well. This is a poodle, which is highly regarded as one of the most intelligent dogs out there. I think in terms of ranking is ranked as number 2. This is a Hungarian pig, is well known for its really curly fur that makes it look really unique. And here's a donkey. And here we have a cow. Beautiful cow. A pig right here from one of the budget packs as well. Bengal tiger. Alright. What do we have? One of the budget packs, cheetah. And what is this, guys? Let's have a look. Let's try to find a name. Wow, it's really too small. White pelican. Nice, from Safari Ltd. 2004 figure. White pelican. It was sent to us by a Gen Safarian, and this is another albatross. So we have 2 albatross in our collection. 2017 giant albatross. This is a cockatoo, if I'm not wrong. Yep, 2005 Safari Ltd figure. Beautiful figure. Is this a bantam chicken? Let's see. Yep, bantam chicken is well known for its blue eggs. So they are able to lay eggs that are blue in color. Very cool. This one, if I'm not wrong, is a kookaburra. Yep. I think they are native to Australia, if I'm not wrong. And this, it's an bantam chicken is the smaller species of chicken. Americana chicken is the chicken that is known to lay blue eggs. So I got the information mixed up just now, so I beg your pardon. And here we have a turkey. Nice, from Collecte. Yep, 2016 figure. What is this? Snowy Owl. Nice little figure. 2008, quite some time. Siamese cat right here. Hyacinth parrot right here, you can see 2006. Snow leopard. Yeah, I think this is my most favorite snow leopard figure from Peppo. Peppo, they're just good in creating all these figures. They're all super beautiful. From PNSO, not a well detailed figure. You can see the face looks very sleepy. Yeah, it's not the best one, that's for sure. We have 2 Black Panthers right here, in fact 3, and they're all from the same pack. I think they're like bootlegs. They basically took the sculpts from other companies and remake them, and you can clearly see the paint scheme is kind of bad as compared to the high quality ones from like Peppo and other brands. So what do we have right here? White lion, African lion, 2017 figure. Very cool figure. Pot-bellied pig, super adorable. This is a macaw as well, and I think this is basically a red macaw. Yeah, that's right. We have shown you guys the blue ones just now. Pelican, I think so. Yep, a pelican. This is another one of the budget packs. Lions. Nice tiger from Schleich. You guys have seen this before. I have 2 of these figures. This one is quite a new one. Very cool. From Collecte. Very, very beautiful figure. You can see it's highly detailed. Even the figure weighs, feels very heavy as well. Very, very impressive. Okay, let's see what else we've got. This is a beautiful leopard, if I'm not wrong. From Peppo. Lion cub right here. Cute and adorable. What is this? Let's have a look. Harpy Eagle, 2017 Safari Ltd. Nice. Some cheeks. This is actually from Schleich right here. This one, there's no brand, but still very cool. Quite nicely done, I would say. This is a bobcat, a wildcat, not a big cat. 2010 Safari Ltd. Tabby cat, super cute and adorable. And it says Grey Tabby because they actually took the Grey Tabby figure and they just repainted it in without changing the name. So it should be like an orange tabby. Okay, and this is a bulldog. I can't remember the name of this. Bull terrier? Not too sure, I think so. Golden retriever. Another very cute Shiba Inu right here, guys, from Schleich. Toucan 2005. A goat, nanny goat, 2015 Safari Ltd. Nice figure. This one was sent to us quite recently. I have no idea what this is. I think this is a Mandarin dog. It was also sent to us by a Gen Safarian, a little girl if I remember correctly, and she also sent me some drawings. Blue-footed Brody, super cute. A calf right here. A rabbit. Okay, 2007. Black Panther carp, white lioness from Schleich. Wait a minute, I think so. I think it's from Schleich. Another tiger. And here we have a jaguar. Nice. A cow from PNSO. Beautiful figure. Jack Russell Terrier. Safari Ltd 2007. They are hyper active. They can run really fast. They have good stamina as well. Long-eared owl. 2016. 2018. Safari Ltd. Donkey, one of my very old figures from Schleich, but you can still see the condition of this figure is just amazing. Almost put it in the wrong box. We have another Kiwi right here. French Terrier, French Bulldog. Jack Russell Terrier puppy, super adorable. Persian cat, very, very cute. 2019, I love their face. And they are always very docile. Oh, this is a Safari Good Luck Mini that should be placed in the Australian Animals collection. I think this is a bobcat, or is this like a lynx? What is this, guys? A stork? Is this a stork? Labrador. Nice, 2007. They are very gentle and smart as well. Dachshund. Okay. Dalmatian puppy. A tabby cat. Flamingo. This one is a little chicken from, or a little hen from Schleich. This is a bulldog. Very cute little bulldog, 2016. You can see it is highly detailed. The fur is like very nicely crafted, handcrafted, I would say. Schnauzer. A chicken from, a rooster from Schleich. Golden Retriever, not the best looking one for sure. So PNSO, I feel the PNSO figures are actually quite, it's not well detailed as we hope that it could be, that's for sure. And here we have a leopard. Chinchilla, if I'm not wrong. Is that a name? Yep, Chinchilla 2015. Safari Ltd, beautiful figure. A rabbit, or is this a hare? A hare, I think. A pig from PNSO. I think at least this pig actually looks decent. A chicken from Peppo. Is this a French Boston Terrier? Okay, they look like French Terrier. Siamese cat. Cassowary, which I think are close relative to the ostrich. They are basically descendants of dinosaurs. 2016 figure. I've seen them before in the zoo. They are huge and they look very, very scary. And here's a lion cub. Okay, so these are basically our two boxes of big cats, wild cats, farm animals, and birds and domestic animals right here. Okay, thanks for watching this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.